How to fix insufficient storage in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device and click on Apps and Notifications. After you click on Apps and Notifications, click on CapCut in here. If you don't find CapCut here, you can click on See All Apps and search for CapCut. Then click on Storage and Cache. After you've clicked on Storage and Cache, click on Clear Cache at the top. After you clear the cache, everything will be cleared except for your data. Your data won't be removed if you click on Clear Cache. Clear cache, and when you open CapCut, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix insufficient storage in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.